Hello, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. Today, I'm working with copper. I'm going to make another Anhk. At the bottom left, you'll see an Anhk that I made some time ago. So I'm going to recreate that Anhk. I think I'm going to give it to my boo for Valentine's, for a Valentine's gift. I have 12 gauge dead soft copper. I have my cutters and my flat nose and my round nose pliers. I have a hammer and a steel block. I also am going to have some 20 gauge copper wire that you'll see me use. I'm rolling out about 12 inches of this copper wire, and I'm going to cut it. You need some pretty good cutters to cut this. Even though it's dead soft, it's still pretty sturdy. So you have to have, a little strength in your hands to work with it. But nevertheless, I'm going to go for it. I start by making a spiral in the top, which is going to be the top of the Anhk. So I'm using my round nose pliers, and I'm just turning the spiral. Now, as I hold my wire at a right angle, I'm going to make the first arm of the Anhk. And I go out about 9 inches from the center of my spiral and fold it under. And as you can see, I really need to use my flat nose pliers to really squeeze that because I want it to be almost closed. I'm going about the same length from the other side. And as I fold it again, I'll squeeze it closed. Now, using my flat nose pliers, I'm going to go to the center and bend my wire straight down because I'm going to make the third arm or leg or whatever it is on the Anhk. Okay, using my flat nose pliers, I go down about 1.5 inches and I bend my wire up. My wire didn't go up as far as I wanted it to. I didn't want to have that little gap there. So I'm trying to bend it up a little bit more so that it goes up as far as I need it to. I'm trying to make sure that everything is centered and has good symmetry. I'm using 20 gauge copper wire and I'm going to wrap the middle of my Anhk. I'm using this wire to wrap because I want to give it a little bit more stability. I'm hammering it in the middle because the wire is kind of bulky and I want to flatten it some. I'm going to use some E6000 to glue this cowrie shell onto my Anhk. I need to make myself a jump ring so that I can hang my Anhk from a necklace. All right, good people, this is Sherry. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, leave me a comment. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.